In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the control valve on an iSpring central water filtration system. To begin the installation process, lift and remove the top lid of the system. Next, remove the two red clips located on each side of the control valve. After that, detach the red locking C-clips that secure the PE tubing assembly, and then disconnect the tubing and the power cord. Locate the plastic latches on either side of the panel. There should be two on each panel. Turn the control valve head to the side to push the latches and release them. Start by removing the smaller panel first, followed by the larger one. Now, lift the media tank to remove it from the system case. Please note that detaching the control valve from the media tank requires two people. Hold the tank securely and locate the nut on the side of the control valve. Apply force toward the nut to release the control valve. Twist the control valve counterclockwise and press it downward to detach it from the media tank. If there is water in the tank, gently tap the connection with a rubber mallet to loosen it. If using a hammer, place a towel over the control valve for protection. To remove the control valve completely, hold onto the pipe underneath and lift it to detach. To replace the control valve, first place the upper basket on it, align the latches, and twist clockwise until it is tightened. Set the control valve aside for the moment. Push down on the pipe until it aligns with the tank. If there is water in the tank, you may need to shift the pipe to force it down. Then, place the control valve onto the pipe. Once it clicks into place, twist it clockwise until it is securely tightened. Now, place the media tank back into the case. To attach the larger panel, align the latches on the system case and secure it to the media tank. Next, line up the latches on the smaller panel and put it back in place. Reattach the red clips onto the control valve and turn the control valve head to the parallel position. Install the PE tubing and secure it with the locking C-clips. Finally, reconnect the power cords. Close the lid, and the installation is complete.